Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. It's good to have you guys again once today. In this video we'll be talking about SRP, the urgent update, the news that is coming up for SRP, and can SRP still make you a millionaire before the end of this year, and my possible price prediction for XRP. So before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and watching this video right now, please kindly subscribe now, and also put on the notification button, and also in the link description below you will see we have a new telegram group that we have created, and for dropping signals. Maybe you're a forex trader, crypto trader, and binary option, and signals are being dropped and people are making money, so you can also join this signal group. Also, we also have our website that is coming up, the market trading, so you can also check that one out too. So okay, let's go straight to the point. First thing, there are many things that is coming up for SRP in which some people are not aware, and in which the moment the price start to shoot, it will be too late to get into SRP. That is why I decided to make this video, so that you guys can be aware on time. SRP has case which they are between SEC and SRP, and they are trying to say, okay, security or token. That was what caused the lawsuit. The SEC saying security, they're saying their token and the rest. So, but no, they have been on this case since last year, and this case is getting to dead end. And don't forget that out of all the coins that are pumping the market, we have Solana, we have Autumn, we have a Koti, we have FTM. All these coins that are pumping, where is SRP? Where is SRP? Even self, even BNB are also pumped in the past. But where is SRP? SRP, you know what SRP is about? It's a global digital payment system, and which is a very good project in the blockchain industry. And SRP supposed to have pumped very well, but because of the lawsuit that SRP is having, is dragging the price downward, is serving as a barrier for the pump of SRP, because people are still skeptical about the SRP itself, because they are wondering, they are skeptical, maybe SRP is going to win the case, or SRP is going to lose the case. But there are some things that is hidden, in which I want to shed more light to in this particular video. But before I tell you about that particular stuff, let me show you some news, and don't forget to watch this video today. It's very important. Okay, first thing first, they say Ripple gains advantage over SEC in the court case, and this was released, that was I guess yesterday, this particular news. And what was there was that Ripple gains an advantage over SEC, as they later admitted to not telling any third party that SRP was a security. Now, this is a very big deal, because if they haven't told anyone before this, you understand, what is the point of having this lawsuit? Report also suggests that many people mailed SEC before this lawsuit asking if SRP was security, but didn't get any reply, obviously. So that means, they say, this shows that SEC likes to keep everyone in the dark, which is not good. Okay, that's one point, that the SEC did not disclose maybe SRP was a security to anyone, even though some people try to make some get some clarification from SEC, but they keep it closed. Let's look at this also. Before we look at this, okay, let's look at this. They say next hearing may result in a major win for SRP, because the next hearing for SRP is this month, that's 31st of August. And what is happening there? Look at it. They said SEC versus Ripple lawsuit has taken several twists and turns, but despite the discovery extension granted by the court, there is a growing feeling that settlement may be on the horizon. Do you understand? They said the key date is August 31, as the court scheduled a hearing with both parties to discuss the privilege dispute that has been dragging for months. So it is 31st of this month. That's sorry. So it was 31st of last month that they made this particular hearing for both of them. But now look at something. They said the problem with the settlement between now and November 12th is that both parties won't know how strong each side position is until after discovery closes. Do you understand? Okay. So now they've made the hearing as at based on this date, 31st of August, that was last month, and then now we are in September also. There's another, the course will close between this month slash next month. There are some, no, that they said November 12th, but it's between the mid of this month slash next month. They should have the court case closed. Yeah, and we know who wins and who lose. But before we talk about that, let's look at something also. They said SEC versus Ripple cases takes another turn, making investor bullish on SRP. Now, what is there? Let's look at it. What are they saying here? They said, as per the latest development in SEC litigation against SRP holders, move to represent their interest. This implies that the community of SRP supporters has stepped up to shield the altcoin from negative impact on its price, because they know that if the SEC should win, they understand, the SRP holders, they know that it will have a very bad negative impact on SRP, and which is going to drag the price downward. But the SRP army are ready to shield the SRP. They are ready to stand for SRP. Now, what again? They say Ripple holdings remain SRP largest public holders, and litigation on the payment giant. Look, I told you before. This was constantly led to a negative impact on native asset SRP price since December 2020. That's last time. No, when it was released, the price dropped dramatically. And if you look at it here, this was the Twitter news from Johnny Detton. So, but we are not going to that. What I want you guys to know is that if SRP is to come out clean out of this particular case, and which is going to end between this month slash next month, as I've shown the date before, that's around November 12th, but it's between this month slash next month based on the news I saw earlier and what I've read over the internet. So now, like I said, no, SRP is the giant payment system, which the price where it is currently, which is around 1.08, is SRP's price supposed to have surpassed this particular region. Now, because if you have to look at most of the coins, some of the coins have created a new all-time high and the rest, but SRP has not done that. Now, this is what you should notice, that if SRP should come clean, that is, they should win this particular lawsuit, the SRP price will shoot dramatically. That is, it will shoot in a way you don't even expect. Do you understand? Because SRP army are ready to push the price upward. Do you understand? So now, if you should hold SRP now, or you bag what you are holding now, or you still continue holding, or you hold more bag now, I can tell you that the probability that SRP is going to win this case is high, because you can't expect SRP to just go down that way. The worst case is they should have out of court settlement. You understand? But I'm telling you that SRP can't go down, because if SRP should go down this way, the SEC will come for another altcoin, and that's how they will continue to take down all those coins. But the moment SRP wins this particular case, SEC will not be able to stand against any other altcoins again. You understand? And even if we stand against any other altcoin, their chance of winning will be what? Will be slim. So if SRP should win this case by the end, latest by next month, I'm telling you, if you're a SRP holder, you will be in money. Do you understand? And my price prediction for SRP is, before the end of this bull run, I'm the end of this year, after this lawsuit, I'm expecting SRP to reach at least $6. But actually, my price prediction is $8. But at least SRP should reach $6, and that means if SRP reaches $6 from here, that's over 600%. That's like 6x. Do you understand? And also, can SRP still make you a millionaire? Before we go to that, let's look at the chart of SRP. Now, if you look at the chart of SRP reached this particular level 1.34, and it broke out of this particular triangle. Do you understand? Triangle pattern, and it reached this high of 1.47. And what happened? The Bitcoin dumped from 52,000 or so, and which affected the price of SRP and came back to this particular trend line of the triangle, which is form of like a retest. Just like after a breakout, you have a retest on that particular level. So this is form of like a retest, telling you that the SRP tech analysis is still perfectly okay. It's still intact. SRP moving on from here is going according to technical analysis. Do you understand? So both on chart and both in news, SRP is okay for a good leg up. Do you understand? So, but if you say SRP breaking this particular trend line, what you can see it's coming to 0.81. But if you look at it, even the dip that is happening in the market, SRP stands to hold this particular region, and there's a support level around this region. Let me change it. There is a support level around the region. So SRP price is holding this particular support level with this trend line. Do you understand? So because this particular level is very strong level, so what you be expecting from SRP, you see SRP what's going up. Do you understand? So and my possible price prediction for SRP, my price prediction is $6. At least $6. You know, I gave a price prediction for Cardano when Cardano was still below $1. And I told you that I'm expecting nothing less than at least $3 from Cardano before the end of this bull run. And Cardano has hit an all-time high of 3 point something dollar. Do you understand? And those that follow the code them before it reach $1, they make massive gains. Do you understand? So I'm giving you this also, this SRP also, that I'm expecting nothing less than $6 from SRP after the end of this lawsuit. So when I'm giving you some conditions in which I'm expecting to be fulfilled, you understand, which the probability of fulfillment is very, very high. So, and also, can SRP still make you a millionaire? Yes. It all depends on the amount of bag you're holding, amount of bag of SRP you're holding. Maybe you're holding 100,000 worth of SRP, you're holding 10,000 worth of SRP, you're holding 5,000, 1,000. It all depends to know maybe it can make you what, a millionaire. So thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and also don't forget the link in the description below to join our Telegram group channel and for more gains and for more profit. Thank you very much for having you on this channel. And if you look at the subscriber, we have over 800 subscribers on this channel, and thank you very much for you guys. You guys have been the main supporter behind the market channel. Thank you very much, and I wish you guys happy trading, and God bless you all.